Yes, I love. Yes, I love. La hustle. Yes, I love. Yes, I love. Sikeye bani senkwana mekwanye binyebia. Sikeye chane senkwana mekwanye binyebia. Mameje, babeje, bimbwa miona moye mote meze. Mameje, babeje, bimbwa miono yedi mohayo. Cancel, yeah, down for the break up, be a summer sweat. I'm a sweat. La hustle, yes, I love. Yes, I love. La hustle, yes, I love. Yes, I love. La hustle, yes, I love. Yes, I love. All this life we day, my party for you should mind. Use your head, use your hands, and use your time. Cause bad man is a canino be say about your size. Vrs Yaw crabe jojo when no here is your cry. La hustle, yes I love. La hustle, yes I love.
Abeto, na botre. Mimiano. Ya banyina abeto, minim se free me. Akwan ya fa so a me na minim se me ka ma na duru sei. Oh, said you would hear one a hammer. Because me fish a America, Namian, once one how I better Toniam. Nanamin said you yin say neighbor. Why, Miss Sellow? Would you me force us over Vivia?
When you saw some Yano crap, Uncle Kama, Uncle Fancy, yeah. Yeah, we catch up.
See, Abetu, my catcher say, dear Bunny, me say, I didn't harness her. By Sician, me a cogano. Me a mess of issue, no. Some yana me can't be here. Abetu, Jimmy D. What I say, Jimmy D. What mom sometimes so better make. Why?
If the son has a broken heart, broken heart. When is that? Something you know, I'll come, I'll go for say, I'll go to your mama and maybe.
Riasimo.
Pachon pesime no kasa. Bejina mention.
Riasimo.
Joe smart.
Yeah. Tina baby ujano. Nene minkasa. Can baby ujano. Okay.
Joe smart. I'm sorry. You know you are the one I love.
Jaisam na okan. Me pesimiti kwa.
My fool, I can't sleep, I can't eat. I'm coming home for me. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
Asemu awo be kan chem ni say we sorry. Inti mu ye boni ni wia. Munim sorry kanti. Na mo prepare, mo hihye ne kama. Na mo di sorry naba. Sorry we menye.
Menkasa, you know I love you. I've missed you.
Hey. Sadi we asite e. Emma, muhu papa. Wo wafe me. Eye misika no wafe. And answer what for me.
I just want to see you.
I ain't late. No. Don't touch me. Say no, me will be dear. Into who don't say Bamwa, and so prepare, say, it be our wish, but no one say, a hold you, and son was soon.
Big. It does. Eh? A hand's way. I can't show some when you remember her. Embaha. It does. It does. And does.
Tracy. My body how many times? 3 times. Tracy, me John Menyakola. Me John Menyakola. What the mechanic? Me no be near a shebo. Se papa me do woman. Edia me so soon percentage egum. Open so and I'm do a man. And near dentina who one person who dear no dear non person me so me did.
And to be good.
Who did you know did yami?
Yabutre.
Me never put
you say papa your mom is can't come in.
Make a cassan fan chami. I didn't mean papa subana. Papa minimum subas no nin some go. I'll bet for Mosca.
Minimum sir.
Ah, I dear
on shadow mammy is a papa beer. And at 200 they be a 500. That mammy 2000 first time I cushion. Or mammy is a KBA. Ebia and any a shopping. No, I want Tonya mammy. In Yanni Nadi. Nanu de may they be a mouth. And Yabutre, minimum sir. Means me, sir.
Almost 2,000 chemuno, or more 200 so membi, or more 500 membi, don't more be a membi. I did the Jenny one and I'm.
Ah, Yabutre, with your mammy in Casson. Mammy calling the cacra, or mammy be a memo be a mistro.
Oh, I missed you.
Won't mean for me. Say, they are too late. Miminim or plan with the buying candy. What can be actual? Say, men knew a Tiadia, meeting me or I could be a view.
I'm sorry, please. I'm sorry.
Nisro, Sisia Pamijinai. Sem ubiti me abaye, me girlfriend Biu, ain't me maso. Fisa me dinu kure, e mama. Na me dinu kure mama noa, na ma fam for granted. Dear mu pebia na mo de yemi. Inti Sisia de menya no no de o te mas.
Sorry.
No. I'm me pacho. Bye. I'm busy.
Ada me akula. Ah, one of me say ma hook up adwuma edin. So wonim nipa ma yemu hook up o ma mbisa.
Ni mu say ye hook up edan ka say.
Nyendai.
Wo de mesrew. Wo de asam.
Won nam na ni mai no. Nam ni no. Won nam na ni papa no. Nani no. Ade wo ye ni nye. Me na be ka kire so wa hwede so ntima fa me sika ma me a. Se ensima metima ka fa. Me ni se be shout. Meba enye tietie mu a. Tie. Dem no kan say. Se nei me metima kasem papa ade afa wo ho ade akere man no waje watum maka nsem a eye bia ekova obi ade akere no se wantie me de na meka na metima kan yare ahodo a ennim ade aton so se wo yare
wo be se me ama no
na meka me kire wo meka chen se yare se pa na wo ho ana wai wadwe se ode ma no enso yare nso beka obegye di
yenya ndru da level
ya duru ya pa ho kwa
me pacho na big my oden
ana me kire mu no
sikenti na no ne me kasa
ai sika Intra, ene susuma ni pani abre. What?
Wo de ye. O ma me sika, say once the cry me ma obi. Why? On shada enye bibia big bia sa. Ti na me expecting. Sa wo de nya abotre ma.
Fa o se yo. Unim yare metima keka to so. Unim yare me metima keka to me kan say ekro eyam mampeli sancho de kro so. Asika na metie ba ko na se tiger entwom apurisi aye wa yo ba odon frama jigina baba zomra chichi morgatanga to white odepua Stephilis. Ewo hu na mka me kire wo.
Big man yes aw na me ni wow.
Yo, ani hwe onsu yi.
Boy.
Lotoni ni kreni. Dia mendi no. Me ra ho pa o. Ni ni be yi ne bata kwansi.
Ara u twase.
Se we try you 100 cities
Is you trend?
Which are trended and some payment.
No, look, I will try. No, who chapter trended that day.
Like I'm interested.
Oh, when I say who tendencies you cry, it's okay.
Daddy, omit about bag.
Debbie.
Uncle, good afternoon.
Hey, Yaw.
Papa, lot of them go trouble on
I didn't come away the other one go to Fraco Minium come.
Oh, the person who was supposed to say.
Are they which have you?
I may call and I may go try and was one painting. A man means to me go try for problem to that an hour.
Sir. Now, there are what to me say wrong, very henable.
I sent in a me person me who na mess a boy.
Fabra, Mary.
Cause we are Cabemo, Papa.
Who could try away beyond us in ye?
Ah. And then numbers now, Bobo Mamino. And you know, who could try the Mamino. Ah. To the bottom is all Franco.
I could see. What's a number we have? Oh, yeah.
30-21.
21. So we chat number 30, single 3, 21. And you about 30, 21. Hey. Nature say I could not do.
May Nabo
30, 21. Abo. Aye.
Uncle, Miss Hawa. Miss Somson.
Abo.
Yaw, see.
David, Papa, why a mistake?
Oh, see the maker.
Why a mistake?
The maker of me just tea. We know what you know from me. Who trying to say? Who trying to say?
And there's so also, Mamma Semi Cocha, my bass wing. Today, me trouble the same thing, and I'm trouble.
Yaw, see the upper canoe. Sikanwe, you cross out Cratano. Who could this can cry and call them? What means what? From our papa. First,
now, Master,
Medilo to leave you. Medilo to leave your mother. Lot to share numbers.
Massa, oh, Master, way.
And me tell you to say, we shall me tell you to too slow. And no one.
Her matter, and
Let's go.
Me, oh, make children.
Maybe I cry, yes, we join you upon your
present wedding. Mina medicine canoe, and a book. How would you, Massa, over Shamaba?
Mina,
Massa, and our corn. Go and a break machine, Minono. Me, make us a may. Cromwa, no one. Me, a friend never call over whom me. Many came ponum never to say, ah, that's right, Flemmy, I mean,
Boss.
Hi, Munia, there is some for Munia Jaja, our beba. Or there's some for Migusuka say your beba. Me who know what I assume. Read enough for me, Trim. Ah, Father, that's the man from my ear. My ear, ah, my ear, I don't miss to my ear. Munia, as I watch you.
This way, Daniel. This way, Daniel, go for baby crab. I say, Crabby police station. Ah, look, crow. Ah, look, my big generals and my kids.
And I walk to Adrian.
That's where Johnny. Go for baby crab. Maybe cross on police station.
Ah, I can't Johnny.
No crab, I catch on. No crab, yes, go. So I can't use with Johnny.
Where Johnny?
No crab, let me try through. With Johnny.
What did you discover?
No crab, I catch on. With Johnny.
Aquan Ninquesa and Chenwo. So, Obi, you to me down a shabeladia. We in Yammy Bonsam. Unia, or buy any attitude Ben at the bar.
Attitude say, where do you look to me? Do you look to?
Master, Mammy control. Mammy Casimcho. You only per boy, Nippa Bonsam. Nippano, Me metwalo to scam e de nyes kakato. Udu 3 cedi, 2 cedi. Abe pamuni pano.
Boss, me pesa.
Masa.
Me pesa. Me pesa.
Masa first.
I don't know so.
Hey, first canibla.
I don't know so. Me made the lot of my baby is also the lot of mama. Ah, opa. What is say we are now? Me do we are pa. So we should na yes you go police station. You say some go police station even. Yes you go. You go. E no na be.
Me so na born kan.
Hey, come on. Hey, come on. I'm going to take your driver. I'm going to take your I'm going to Hey, two more. I'm going to go. Hey, hey. I am there. I'm going to and one on the sign of you. We have a sheriff and trees can be free moon. I catch you for those who put in a fabra. She should be free more amendment to answer cry.
Yeah.
Essay.
Essence, and you did just once.
There be members as a yes, saying, Mammy Moose can do a woman.
20 million, 2,000 and I see this.
2,000.
2,000.
The 2,000 is car.
No, I don't know the mammy.
Send of the man.
Oh, mammy, 4,000. You know what you pay? I don't know. Yes, sir.
Oh, boy. And you must have 4,000. Scout the man, and your 4,000.
I don't know the officer now.
No, Scout on this castle.
Oh, yeah, Chester, because when your mamma is getting
would have some count. For be count, a many big with your Menji, for be count.
Sound. Aye. And you can pay one in the court now, only one away.
Hey, dressy.
I ought to me stressing me crowd, eh?
Hey,
me probably know about shower.
Dressy. I feel you. That is why I'm doing that. You have done what Napoleon could apart cannot do. Wow!
Yeah,
thank you very much.
And in Casa say, on one sham because cannot shut a mammy be out. We mean watch him pay. Next, I come out by 10%, but 50%.
Hey, Tracy. What do you mean? Allah, I could like it so when you another one come, mammy, wine is so. Now, where I is why? Matty, open wine with a one for the penny away anymore. Why? And I'm so open wine can be. Papa, no.
Later, why?
Okay. Now, mammy join the music and say,
Debbie, I'm probably out.
Ah, okay.
Later, why?
What's up, Papa? Papa, the end of it, Papa.
Bluetooth man.
Open, Papa.
Later, why? What's now, Mom, baby? I'm a mouth.
Mate, seven Papa. Bring your Papa.
Candy, William Miss Slow. I bet to dear Miss Slow. Medical Miss Slow. Dear Sipia Candy, Miss Slow Fatche. Why? Oh, Candy. I'm a no castle.
No casam was a meeting. Mason, you can have it.
Tabia, as a way when it.
There be meeting.
Candy Miss Slow. Dear Sipia, I bet to highest time. Me and me whom in and I'm a row. Miss Slow, dear Benina, me. Oh, Candy. I don't know as a man.
Says Casa, what can you send the Masonati? Anna
said the way you went over my ram is stolen line. Men person may try them be ashen. Miss Slow. Tea. Can we a miniaba? And I means, and yes, I may not a bonnet. Dear sin, and my bassa Miss Slow fatcher me. A me and my critics are confusion because my uncle Mano, a bad information, Kabia and Massa. What I am go catch a Madame Fonese, only Joe Smart, agent on. What I means, Mrs. Saying a beba. And I'm said a mimi and iron, I bet to why is tie. Now, me person me banambe pouch. Miss Sarah, yes, beer because said the music only Joe Smart, agent on that me Philly bibi. Na mamma and some casa.
To all Baba Patch or just say. there were confusion our course no o be solve nti ono na no nrujo e na ode asoma me bo
oh ti
o so na asoma se bra na
kani abeto nsoma me
nti wa wo fru pem na bai o akukudro
kani ade uye de asede ojima no asibon me nye kokonsa na mdio eni yeyo ena na me peni ana me amahu se yeyo na adane bone what I say media me niema bi se me ta solve
okay on solve issue why creating as solving it enye big deal mo amebo
oh se bi o mi shaduma ase we enye ne
ai when di konkonsa na che
o maye na kasi anti no we de mi kitwa bi enye we na mbema na ase me record enti mi se me record label kni ase abeto nya kukuduru nti abeto de na aso peso ha me ba wo boa ne first time ni me mani na bamumu ase obu mabam timpese me kamubom we yen sorry afi na be man de me problem
o akukudro o munim so o akukudro pa
mu de mun kamumi ba jimedi me record label me sam so dem de be man e bi ma ajo onu maduro
se watimi anya akukudro free fi aba a wantimi anwe ho se wo ba bibia betimi asi watimi aba be ka chem se wadi me ho konkonsa na wo ka se ye sori abonte ne enama woni mkrofo enu mu gina ho
kan de se we de nya
konkonsa mate
ko mi hu se mi nua no na
ne me ko boni ntina wo se otia ne naso mate de wa kanyina oh mate boni ne mate a
nti meko na o ma me motu bia no
motu ntina abae won
oh enye motu nti ba se meta ba ma me motu
ani asa asentra why
unye sada
ani ene de mayesa
oh and nani nkwan ase bia wo
bibia ni ho why ntu kwa tukro ni
Candy baby Candy oh hima papa bi ge ya bambu ntamu awo first adege wonya guys obi ni no kokonsa da on ge record onye ne zo ntimi ne akasi 400 Shatawale, mina mgu na wale, onene yeleno. Nansa mi being stone boy, a one or year fast, they say, or bepamume. Come to tea or my wale.
See, cancel to be near down for me. Break up, be as my sweat, I'm so. We see, cancel to be near down for me. Break up, be as my sweat.
Hey, Wema.
Afternoon,
I'm saying.
Na madam.
Oh, I'm saying you are. I'm here. Yeah.
Nanya, come pay to my madam on fire.
Oh, Pacho, I know the Jumenia, and I drink Palasua.
Yeah, cake, Paris Street, no money.
Okay.
Baby, nim Bibi and Miss Rock, and come out bound and Casananca, Mon for my Jumawa.
Now, but you make baky bread as I meet by so.
Oh, one said, me cocaine school crack. What I said?
Number 2, school no.
Oh, me cook Kumasi girls.
Kumasi girls. Now it must have been a jail.
Oh, yeah, make my cocaine school. Me, my non and Bibi. What offer Kumasi girls?
Okay, Pacho, ban with the January.
I know make us any minimum yet.
Pacho Miss Raw, and Jim Palawan, Pacho Miss Raw. Mijin say you want to my Pacho. Pacho with them Miss Raw, Pacho with the quiet Pacho, Miss Raw, with the quiet Pacho. No, they be a joke out of the power. The boy.
Say, with your sister, dear Nija Crabba.
Oh, you're the Namas.
Your investor be as see or landing.
Wow.
In Ticiano, dear, any problem.
Wow.
Into free Harma or quite prostrate.
Oh, sir.
Yes.
May I?
Aye. Indeed, now, me problem back one. Now, me and say, now what can be so one pay hotel and until. Me and say for the meantime, road in the call or honum. Apartment or not, when you know, acquire in actually, you know, young dear bay.
But some medium 7 million possible. Some minute more in a share room.
I am more inside the old day okay you who said you be see a bear
sir kasa kra dem ne kasa ya mfa de kire se ono odane dem na mesme dem nti minim kwan a oho minim ba bia ye de be ma na obe
sir ubetimi na share one room na mo de no man for the meantime ni ahwe no se de be ya bibia wo hu mu nti na make ta no chese oba no hu se de ni masiti a bia ono an be request hotel no we young guy won't say ya antima ho do di ya be ye basa me so hu bibia mu why
mate anti we de me check kwa
mate
Fauci
na me de bro na dia office okay
we phone okay mate for dinti me peke no so abi
mate
Now, how no one share jeans or did Eddie Bobo? Now, jeans, yeah, French jeans in Bobo. I'm sure now they are there.
Oh, yeah, good.
Hey, I know you're too much. Fast,
Now, I don't know more player to say we see or Bobo. So, they don't know you.
What's
it?
Scout.
Just some more can. Sky walk football, no, yes, now, as someone jam more, cast more, cast and if you are more to do. Hey, that's a see, Obi Amba percent football. Me cry and your age, not Chiman, Cassam, Bobo.
A senior who don't play Albinesca.
Ubenya Sikarov. I always say, your Bomodians signing up. You bet man, you bear 500,000. Now, this canna, Senna, the way the money will motivate him, you understand me, to play more, to be very, very active. Once and the passes cry, you come up. And a 500,000 or so, would you come home?
There's a boost, come
Pa, mean dada.
Oh, any boy, no. Boy! Play habla. Oh, Bahuya, dear pa. Me dinner, my money tower. Me pesa bow. And pesa me push you. Me marco bobo wa bruchly.
What do you took a quabruchi?
One of boys singing now. I've been a man who said, "Been me good."
What do you mean me took a yaw? I don't know. Why would you go out with that? What do you put that?
Player, my man control. A mini agent in a delay. What's your say? I agent in a one dinny poco blue chile. What's your say? Met my boys and nipper bear 5 plummeting the moat coin. Me gentino on a day, a friend is saying a free banyan, a tutu coin. What I say, or the place baby, Ames down danum, a Nansen cry house of folk, strike at 10 grammar.
Yeah, meaning. Now, a not bad idea, mom. Because you know, you dream, they say that you're so bored with China, at least among your TVs, no my proud. Yes, indeed. Say, I can't be able to say I can't bad, but I say, I quite say, no, man, who are doing be too.
Mimi agent, no. So, on him in a judgment, to me, I'm a pair of man or the
oh, okay, to who agent, and you're
yes, and me.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, and your problem there. I sit in the big kind in a say Bobo could do.
On say, a dear piano, free, no, yana woman saying, yet. What I say, but me agent in your phone be a far. Form no shop a so called Man City. No, I feel Man City form. Man City form me 1,000. Man United form me 2,000. What I say? 20 million, 10 million. Bamono, unse me sha muniska. It won't try possible. Me demba ko Watford. Unim Watford.
Yeah.
A England.
Yes.
One mumpe 500. Me di bibe so.
Timmy boys in the back.
Oh no.
But Scasam dear.
Convince woman.
Secretary be more near.
Only problem. The answer Bibia be ready. Bibia ready. I remember share me management. Maybe I run her baby crying at Nania Casa. Unia, one and person the bow. Nipa baby, I buy a soya on Pessia bow, ma on bobo. But woman, What I say? Iti kawakuma tu yam. Why?
Nti nyumire na yenye hyewane ehunye be.
Ba 3 to 4 more. Yes, sign ways kaka say. Iti kayo fa fa na Ghana si.
Why?
Why?
You mate.
Wow, this is Africa. Oh my goodness. I mean, you know, for one reason I'm just happy to be out here. You understand? I'm really happy to be out here. Look at this. I mean, this is like a Connecticut out here in America, you know. Oh my God, Africa is so rough. You know, I miss home. I miss home so much. God damn it. You know, yesterday I was supposed to have a meeting with Tyler Perry. Yeah, I mean, I was supposed to have a meeting with Tyler Perry. You know, he's about to shoot like a new movie, and he want to put like a Denzel Washington in it, and you know, he wants me like to do a casting with Denzel and Beyonce. It's crazy, man. It's crazy. Woo! Africa, here I come. Oh, it's crazy. You know, 50 Cent called me when I told him, I said, 50, you know, I want to go to Africa. I want to go, you know, see some people because I got business down there. And Mayweather and 50 said, yo, we want to come. I said, no, I don't want too much attention, you know, because if I'm going to come with them, then we got to come with my private jet. You know, I got private jet. Yeah, you know, so I didn't want all those attention, you know, and I don't know how y'all look because, you know, Africa, you know, I don't know what's going on in Africa, God. Wait, y'all have like a celebrity hangout something? Because, you know, when I want to step out in Ghana, sometimes it's too hard. I need some celebrity, like some, you know, convoy and shit. I need to give me some shit like that, you know. I mean, when I was with 50 Cent like 3 days ago, we went to New York for a meeting. We had this big-ass limo that took us straight from the airport to the place. Y'all know what I'm saying? Shit, I'm so happy to be back here. Wow. You know what I want to eat tonight? I want some dankuno. You know dankuno? With some pepper?
Dankuno.
Yeah, dankuno.
Hey!
I love dankuno, man. Wow.
Wow.
Is that a motorcycle?
Uh-huh.
Y'all have motorcycle in Ghana?
Uh-huh.
Wow. Oh my God. Why she selling like that? Why she walking with a foot on her head? That's slavery. You know that y'all can be doing this in Africa, man. This is slavery. Oh my God. LA, you know, I'm thinking, because, you know, I feel like I'm going to spend more time in Africa with y'all, you know. So I'm thinking if, you know, I want to sell them, you know, sell my cars. I got 2 Maserati. I got 2 Range Rover, the new one. And, you know, I just ordered for a G-Wagon with my name at the back of it, you know, with the whole metal, you know. Instead of G-Wagon, they're going to put Benzo over there. So I'm thinking if I should just withdraw. I got, you know, $6 million with Wells Fargo. You know, I want to see if they can just transfer everything down to me right here. You know, just buy a new house, just start a new life out here, because I feel like Africa is the thing, you know. Get a little farm, put you out on the farm so you'll be working from on the farm, you know.
Unya, komona minudi na ntini aba. Unza me catch or say yinshia. What I say? Na mon prepare mo. What I say because juma dia oh ya bibia ni twa say going smooth, yeah. So anuntia ni aba.
I will say ni only me kan no. So me ba na me no betina say. Ni di hu common ya there. Be I say na back and forth ya there, but at the end of the day I agree. Nti yama bibia den eto na akwa ma jiji bibia ma sisi bibia den. Okay.
Oh nice. Yes. My jiji scan. Obi atwa. Oh nice. Wo ene wo me kwachiri. Mimi penny pa. Oka so onye bibia na oye ne sharp. I'm very appreciated. Yeah.
Na tsanye de kan say ka wonko a ka de say pay for say be jiji scan ya ma.
Unia. We footballer ka say yi. What you say? Wonnam atechem no asi asas pesi. What you say? Men na me so awu nipan. What you say? Aha. Nti no enye bibia na e kasa tenten. They make an what I say.
Okay, Martin. Nti ya ye dey ase me dey be mo no anu.
Me na agent na me manahu say me na me lead. Ti me je say the bibia ni a muni no me na muni me. Ha, what I say. Okay.
So, yeah, you guys, I've seen a lot of talent in you guys. You guys are really doing well. Keep it up, eh? The sky is the limit.
Me pese me jina so quick. Na me yemo passport no, me yemo documents fast. Na me give it some mama. Why? Unihow. Agency in the doors, me bill consult for kasa. Bill travel and talk consult. Yeah. Me no one more kasa agency be Bill consult. Me unse wo me genuine pa. Ba me hwe, wo manum buo na e din kakra. Ba me won kofo bo wo ma 100 Ghana kwa wo mtimi je visa ma. Aha, nti wo mo sana. Minya yanka me ma wo maji.
So you guys shouldn't stop training, eh? Make sure you train harder. We'll link up later, okay?
You can go. You can go. No, dear, Bibiani, I'm a flam. Mumlefi. Some my show me fee. Yeah. It's in Bibiania. Only me, Papa.
I don't think Papa and Apano. I mean,
boss. Why? I don't know for the boy. Yeah, boy, so then.
Babe. What's up?
Burger no.
Burger.
Why that? That's what I bring to all rest. Eh. And to say Joe Smart na she do mama. Just no name our boy.
Joe Smart. No name it is kura. Ono wait me up boy mama. O se na investor. No akwa na so buy o so person better hotel. Ntina Joe Smart me fan ntina ha na. Unse me hosting wo fie ne ade. Na me de wait me am boy. Oni me taste kura. Hey.
Kasa dear.
Hey. Stop. Asemi o ko fi chaisa.
Fanboy no kasa.
Me se dey no me tia wo na so kra boy. Ade no kasa sa. Me se yatika ni me team sister. Small boy in kasa sa. Say young boy or say young man.
Fine boy out kasa sa dey. Me dey ya me mpe me mo kasa bebre sa o. Ope kasa de na etene me off.
Etene off wa bepel. Chemwani amabon dabro eni je ho. Chemwani amabon. Dabro eni wo mewa.
O me. Onye me taste.
What me hu na hu say your type. Wo. We dey opa ka chere me say we ahaya na be sie enko ba bia.
Me ko dance na ka say me be Joe boy.
Me say I said me. Weni wo. Me. One day we are weni aso. Weni wo. Hey.
Sine. Me das pa nyami shila. De wayen me ni achepa. Kwenya wa kan confronting ka. O me doubt me kakra.
Onim sa de na percentage na share na fast na nko.
Open temo. Juena Fafaka Bibiania.
Na membeji percentage na eno ano no.
Oh, una percentage na. Say one doson and I mean so me pese me ye no kwafo. Inti ni pese me koye bibia kweke ma me da se pa enyo.
Na oye wia odi omo kwan. Oye wia odi omo kwan.
Champion, ye business you. Katakra se me wo Togo visa. Mini pebi Togo. Me ka cho me se wo mu kodi be 4 days wo Togo. Na se wo my transit. Tu ni e kasa.
Jina.
Obi imprewa enye sada.
Sister cities.
Ma cho me enye
energy. Me pebi o.
O puska.
Asemba wa na obe fisi wati.
Masa. Ai, asamom la me de maye kura ya asema na mepe. Asemba ya.
Serious, I was telling you, look, in way back in America, right? I mean, I used to buy a lot of houses. Sometimes when I make money, when I sell my gold and my diamonds to my business partners, I just used to buy properties, because property is everything that you can have, you know what I'm saying? So in New Jersey, I got a house in New Jersey, in Brooklyn. Some of the houses I don't remember, Miami, Los LA, I got houses everywhere. You know why? Because when I do business, when I sell my gold and my diamonds, I don't keep the money because, a lot of people be coming in my DM and be texting me, they want money, so I just buy stocks. Or I do like a Bitcoin, or I buy properties, like I buy houses everywhere, because I know it's mine, you know what I'm saying, right? Look, there's this time, I gotta tell you this, there's this time I went out with my friends, like white friends. I don't normally like white people, but because I want to do business, so I gotta keep them close to me, right? So we wanted like this big yacht, right? And a lot of girls, working and dancing with my white friends, and we're playing music. We had Puff Daddy come perform for us and all that. I paid him, I think, $100,000. Yeah, I did. So he was there to perform, right? So I was holding this wine and I was snapping, I was chilling, right? There was a lot of beautiful girls, and then boom, the wine was in the water, right? So there were these sharks that was going around the wine, because they know that's expensive wine. Very expensive, right? So the sharks were moving around the wine, they're moving, and then all of a sudden, right, one of the sharks brought the wine out. And then the captain came to take the wine, and he said, this is a wine of life, right? So we all, we gave the yacht the wine of life. You know what I'm saying? The yacht. That's so funny. You should be laughing. This is so funny. Look, you don't want to eat anything? You don't want to eat? Look, let me tell you something. When I take you out, you got to give me a reason to spend, baby girl. I want to spend some good money on you. You understand what I'm saying? I got too much money. I don't know who to give. Take anything that you want. Rice?
Yes, I ordered for rice.
You did?
Right.
Yeah. You got CDs on you?
Yes.
Because I don't walk around with CDs because I have dollars with me, I think sometimes when I want to change money, I get scared, so I don't really change money. But good, you have CDs. We're gonna pay, and we're gonna be okay. Excuse me, can you get us more wine? The most expensive one, right? She's gonna pay. So funny. Listen, last time I was in LA, right? Kevin Hart called me that he wanted me to do a budget for him for a new movie, right? But then him and 50 Cent were fighting because 50 Cent wanted me and then Kevin wanted, but I gotta choose Kevin because Kevin is my man, right? So he gave me this white girl. Oh my God, this white girl, she be talking too much, telling me about her grandmom, and I don't want to listen to all that. I want to spend money. I want to spend money, right? You got to make me spend money. I'm telling you, real talk, though. Look, from here, I want to use some of your money to buy some clothes for myself because, the clothes that I brought is getting small, so I need some new clothes. I need to get some boxers and some jeans and some shirt, yeah. You got some more money we can get that at the mall? Yeah, we got shop. I'm going to get some things for you. So far.
Oh, Benzo.
What's up, shorty?
Do you need anything?
No, Can I talk to you for a second?
Okay.
Well, I was really bored inside and, I was just thinking if you can take me out, grab a drink, eat something. I just want to spend some time with you.
Take me out. What about candies?
Candies? Really? I'll sort it out. Now I want to spend some time with you. I'll talk to you later. That's not a problem.
Okay, but what do you really feel like doing?
Anything. As long as I'm out with you, I'm cool,
Okay, let me think. Oh, yes. So there's this really good restaurant across the street and they have really good food. So let me go in there, wear something nice so we can go.
But good for me. I'll be waiting downstairs. Sit over there.
Do you like it?
That's beautiful. You got taste.
I told you were going to like this place.
You got taste. This is beautiful. This place reminds me of my place in New York City. You know what? Way back in America, in New York City, I got this beautiful basement restaurant. And, my restaurant is not meant for, kids of $500 and $200. No, we're gonna bounce you. Because, I got people like DJ Khaled tripping in. I got 50 Cent. I got Kevin Hart. I got Dwayne Johnson. I got Tyler Perry. I got people tripping out, millionaires. I don't work with poor people. I don't work with people who don't have nothing. Because you gotta have a stunt. You know what I'm saying? Because I make money. I spend money every day. You know what I'm saying? Floyd Mayweather?
Yeah.
I don't like that guy. You know why? Because he brags. He talks too much. When you have money, you don't brag. You don't talk too much.
Okay, can we order for the food now?
You want to order for food?
Yeah, I'm hungry. I want to order food.
It can wait. Food can wait. I gotta tell you something. I make too much money when I sleep. I feel like my money is my duvet. That's how bad I make money. Girl, what you talking about? See my ring? That's a 24 karat gold. Yeah, man, girl. Let me tell you something, right? You got CDs on you?
I told you were going to pay for the food. Don't you have money?
Well, I have money, you know, I have dollars on, but I can't walk around with CDs, you know, it's not safe. Whatever we're gonna eat is gonna be on you, but as soon as I'm going home, I'm gonna take some money from the ATM and I'm gonna spoil you. You know, I'm gonna spray some dollars on you, girl. You got CDs, right?
Yes, I have.
That's what I'm talking about, girl. Look at you. Hey, come over here. We're gonna shut this place down, girl. I'm gonna spray some money on you. Girl, you know something? I'm gonna give you this move. Way back in America, we're gonna go, you're gonna die tonight, girl. You're gonna die tonight, girl. You're gonna spend some money on me. You're gonna die. Yo, come over here. You're gonna give me Kulikana, you know Kulikana? You know Kulikana? You're gonna drink Kulikana tonight, girl. Bring me all the expensive drinks that you have. She gonna pay. You gonna pay. Yeah. This place is so beautiful.
Me ko Saudi. Anything person we almost 2,000 but we say like we your boy, me your boy. Anything person me for 1,000 am honto.
Business dey. Me business my be no o say. What you say? Me my business me nim pan fa kase na adele. Eni ama na e wo ha. Any o structure our bon. And deserve 1,000 Ghana. What I say, Mammy, my 800.
Minia, you trust what I'm 90. I'm 90 na me friend. Because I'm a casa baby, I'm 90.
And my business and your casa
90. 90.
Oh dear, Mama 800.
Mama 9.
Why?
Mama 9, my casa baby, Mama 9.
But what dear, and your problem, scanning Bema. Now, you mean you're beyond me. Why? Minia's office or your own. You
don't want to about story.
Why? And you
into a beer bar, I mean, cousin.
I will say, Miss Mepe. Why? What do you mean? Me buy a bacon.
I had a Shatawale Muni Atonium, Shatawale Stone Boy, come Eugene Patapine. I don't know my brother. Into the Metron. Why? Metron. Hey, Charlie.
Oh my God. Oh my. Oh! Oh my God! You know what? When you rub your fingers around my nipple, oh my God, I feel like you know what? I want to travel with you around the world. I want to take you to Miami. I want to take you to New York City. Matter of fact, you got a passport?
Of course I do.
You know what? Next week I'm booking our ticket. You know what? Like business class, we're gonna be close to the pilot, straight to Dubai.
Oh.
Dubai.
I've been to Dubai like 5 times already. I'm tired. I think I want to go to Europe.
You want to go to Europe?
Yes.
Oh my God. You know the ambassador for Germany is my friend.
Oh really?
I'm gonna call him as soon as I'm done with this. I'm calling him tomorrow. And then we're done. We're going to Europe. I'm gonna take you to Belgium. I'm gonna take you to Manhattan. I'm gonna take you to places, girl.
Thank you.
Just gotta make me feel good. Oh my God. Oh my. Oh. So you know that's how when you're playing the scene where you're supposed to. Hi guys. She's shooting a movie, so that's like a rehearsal.
Momo, who come any mass you? Who come any mass? You know, see, I'm going your type no. One can't change out when you're type, and you're Bema crowd type. I open now. Want to be in an end now.
Momo, you said that about me? She said that about me? I cannot believe you did that.
Momo, it's when I catch him, say, me, I'm Monday, actually, no, me, my fault.
Listen, dude. Listen, nigga. You know, it's not what you think, all right? You know, I was just on my own, and she came up to me that she went for an audition, and then she got a role, so she wanted me to take her through some kissing scenes. So, you know.
Oh, she surely did. She turned into an actress overnight.
It's a passion.
Passion.
She told you that.
Mama, I'm sorry.
Candy, listen. You say that about me?
Oh, Pacho Meba. Oh, Missy Meba. Oh, two Bruno. Oh, I don't get your bro. I don't get hey, I'm Pacho Munya with me, dear Pone. Oh, I don't want to mean you. Ah, I don't get hey.
Yeah, both team. You were training ground now by on guy back. So agent. Okay, I did a couple of you. And the woman say, oh, papa, until your first camera. This kind of man. So I have a couple of you. You're who agent. She said anything, you're here in Sika, and then me patch on Yabote. The tennis say, it is one pa say, send me bay a city. No, so none the catch him so we agent, no, the Mumbo Abuchi, Aquacoboa. I didn't mean say you demand to me, this kind of demand. Yeah, you're young Colau. And buy no do be buy. When you saw some man be, I had no good one. Or the catcher say, or not board the players be a free. I say, who could have played what board? I tell me, I am sure. So, or no, your more outside a cobo. I can't play as by the audio. I catch you say, you for amount same bra. Or the other quite the same. That's not so. It's not what's on my. That's why you win your music. You shall have your own. And you know our own. I the quite missing your butcher. No, Nian say, Momujan, what did you mean your music? Yes, Jessica. Be a teacher. But all count. Oh, pure, we player. Master, that questions now. Yeah, send it. Wait. What else was the plus? Oh, Bessie, but in the dialogue. And you get in the jadio. Munya would say, I only and you grab a bread. There's a man or hand mark. Munya would tell about 2 papa. Maybe no. It is a man as I could find a car. And when you say, Sacramai, Edica, what didn't read in it? It is only one copper, me, meeting me, and it's your man. Munya would say, eh. The person in Yako, na Ecotanasi, na minimum a shadow, na me who be a car, it will be a sick, na me chairman, me banner the all. Na, be a 18 It's your Mamma, just me. Didi kind of Madam Wasi, someone yabotre at the Amami. Na ye free a ye gate na no etina de be fi Ukrainian kupo anim ni me ba na nkasa na ogina ho no minim se asem a obeka chem nokre anase enye nokre na mpanifo se ka akum ejinkokwe nkokunu no na gina ha ana wono nso betimi so to no ntuo ame ehu sei nokre sei ebi ogim sika anase onye musika yaw mpanifo mu gina ha 19 omo se waje omu esika say wodo mo kwa abrochire akobobo entwa kontompo emfankyere me se o kan kro bi ewum bi afakyere me minim se no kra obeka se kontompo so obeka medika ka kyerɛ se me ba no eni ti se empo se waje om sika me mehwe na metua ade amom ti kan kro ewum ne kro bi ne waje om sika
papa asemi
obi o wa bia waje ni sika asa woni hwan
papa
Mane mane ni ko mana o mo fi obi
hu asemi kawo
aso ka hey me fa salary ma o kwa
ni business
oni wana ni business me na o ba na e bia
na me kai no
okay
yes we ana we
okay
ana we
okay
na wona wo ni obi na de waba na we kwa na oni wono
omunya ka ho we nka
Wam casa on my flower, now for Papa, me kai on body, woman.
Hey, Chasso. And Chichi be a moose and coining you. Jinawa Chasso. Miss Samu. When you be here to Mr. Wakaka, we didn't want to say Sicano, Waji. And it's no, they make a chimney and say, and Penny Fossa Kamai, oboka wo de no ide ne tua ana ka akomaji nkokuo no mo no ankasa nya gye atum se sika no wagye afim ho ne de ene ekonya eda ho sei wo se mo saa mo gye mo ade efi no
Chale. Wait.
Don't just stand one, right? You don't share what's about to happen.
No, Pacho, in teaching Muno or so, or teaching Twasso, teaching Mucho.
No. Chale. No. Come from
Told you I went through your documents. Your documents are perfect, all right? I think you have a good bank statement.
Okay.
I spoke to my friend, the owner of Ice Diamonds, right?
Okay.
And he said he thinks he want to do some business with you. So we're good. You're gonna make some good money.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
But I have a problem. You see, I want to buy some stuff for myself, but I don't have any CDs. I don't know if you have any CDs for me.
No, don't. I'll talk to Candy.
You're gonna talk to Candy?
Yes.
Oh, thank you so much.
Take care.
Look, I'm gonna make sure that you make a lot of money as well.
No problem.
All right, don't worry.
No problem.
Can I get a driver to drop me?
Oh, yeah, okay.
Oh, you're such a good man.
Agriculture boutique clothing. Agriculture boutique clothing. Yes. Yeah,
on your main boy, yeah, for me, my boyfriend.
I'm sure.
But all born at the home, yes.
Oh, we are practicing.
Better may we enough for me to Mrs. Sacred,
oh, Nini, any doubt.
Now, me pay day, your best. And to be near the fair, mamma, like top and down, be a better fine.
We wrong. When met my top on my the Bama. Oh, anyway, a bear combination.
Okay, now, may the white and this one.
Only problem way.
Okay.
We baby, yes, baby.
This color we cry.
Sir, we are.
Yeah.
Yosha.
When you're married,
Yosha.
Oh,
Minima, the any wolf. Many oh, Mintadia, Ubusa, free throw. What's our drink? As a crew, you be a better. And your casa or a man. A tran oh, Minima, dear. I drink as a crew, or be a better. May confirm answer on funny amount.
Eh, very one way dead. Now, you see, estate Muhay, send your name free dear. Sir, can you be any bedroom?
I'm here, sure some better.
Because I apartment in Timina for more boys and so.
Okay. And the American said, Medina, my baby, my poor being so bad. Coming one and one, me Jawa, what is it? Now, won't to blaze it.
We should drink Mamma, but no problem.
I bet fit too.
Sir, eh, Bram, boy, you want to be full.
Thank you.
Benzo, sorry now, mommy, we're watching our mommy. We're all these taking of money each and every day. You better stop it, please. Find a way of changing your currencies. Forex bureaus in Yana. Baby, a Forex bureau.
Listen, shorty, I mean, you gotta relax sometimes. You know who you're talking to? I mean, you're talking to Benzo. Money ain't a problem for Benzo. I got too much money to deal with. I'm gonna sort you out, and I'm gonna sort all of you out. You ain't got no problem. I'm gonna sort you out.
I pray you do.
I will. I just have to change some money, you know, but some setbacks. I'll change the money and I'll give you some, right? I'll see you later.
What do you want from me? What do you want from me? Massa. Who put me Jimmy for me? What?
Abeto. Me ma bia adwuma abeto. Yes in Fateme. Minmiano. Say me bia adwuma. Matete mo we ma bia adwuma.
Me need time say me tiu. Sana person me catch.
Adwuma no ma bia nti abeto ti.
Dabi enti adwenka say who put me Jimmy for na. Me Jimmy ma ho. Me yakwase ama me boa.
Abeto die na we.
Me yakwase ama. Hweye me se me mpa wonum kasa.
Me fa wadwuma. Amo abebo.
Ahwe yi a wo beti woni na hwe das binim.
Sana te. Abeto mi manya mi sika. Me se me employ. E madwuma wo e deliveries. Wo be support.
Wo ka me yakwase ampa nyini ma. Wo ka me Jimmy ni. Idiot. Dan iska, das kiskis. Wo ka me yakwase ampa nyini ma ho. Ah?
Abeto.
Hey, don't ever distract me. Don't ever distract me. If you distract me, I will distract you.
Abeto ti. Adwuma no nya na.
Me mpa wadwuma.
Senti na unya nyi. Abeto.
Adwuma be na ofa me.
Abeto. Na be. Abeto.
Benzo, I think he's fake. Onya baba.
We are sure.
Now we don't for winning to phone. Obi a wo buy, we see cities in home, uniska. Now for free, every abutire ban. Airport, the Forex bureau no.
Forex bureau.
Ya do what na come, edo ba krum Forex bureau no. Ya do what na fie. Emma waduane di. Esa ma wuska to. Oni say so have 300 cities. And now when I can
300 cities.
And now can I have 300? Wa beje me 300 cities. Esa Stella. Wonya Forex bureau. Stella, no Forex bureau. E wo krum ha.
We did jam my fraud.
Now yen kan jira ku dey try me ba.
Hey, P. I don't frame now where you are.
Oh, Tracy.
When you hunt Papa. I don't when you be from me
we didn't buy me kita na bonnet. In Simbi or Makumamua. What did Toffee be?
Oh, yeah. Oh, baby Anna.
Okay.
Hey, big no.
Tracy.
And that's some. So, frame, yes, as a baby. Baby, CB.
As one thing is a Menyaji, oh, with you. Nukreni. In Simbi or Makumam Pesa me catch now. Na metra se dwene wo na no. Se manka ahwe bi di me dem. Ene say Joe Smart. We do one dance actually. Na nsem o kafa ho nyina che say o yo ba sima. O yo ba che say woni bibia ye. O yo ba wo de.
Sound perfect.
Ati say the way we see come for no menyaje ho. Say minyaya nkampe.
Asam no fancy o menti ase nti usu who jai hook up akoware ana menti ase.
The whole thing is I fall in love with you.
Eh nyum bi title.
And you know make home. As a me person me no out.
Nanka main dog, no. Main dog were down for me.
I don't give you just by the sound of the cockra. Then say.
Okay. We have any problem. And you are baby and coming baby news.
Okay.
So I am in I come on so we but you want a while. Oh, Papa. But wiggy way, how many inches?
2,500.
20 inches. More 25 inches. And we are
3,500.
bone straight. But 25 inches, me and me pedia. I say waves no. Ahana me pay straight one to back. Faka me nails name me pedicure man. Ain't you canning now my bayan? And me nails name a pedicure. Okay, patch of Fabio ne bread. My boy or a bit. May I say? And a big yo, and one no.
Yeah,
at the end, the young Kunia mamma. She said, everybody says I was sorting you. And say, I know it.
Okay. Nice and nice.
7,000. This is 70 million gyro. 70 million.
70 million.
Oh, big. Come on. And so I wouldn't
me patrol. And me yampe, Mister.
Maintains on young person.
Meaning, say, cow say,
Nana, what bomber me now, me bomber, now he said,
Mim say, yes, me the deal, Mim say, no, who do a dog and I would shame and your pay.
That's what would do me.
Me don't,
no, now spending with a me why a big deal.
Let me 70 million and make Debbie.
Only be.
Debbie.
And your way. Big sorry. Corner when go and when you must. Why? You the young trade man, so sir. Independence available client, mommy. Why?
But you mean?
Oh, mommy, I know my Bobby Asher.
What the hell is going on here? What are you doing in my room?
Don't come close.
What are you doing in my room?
Scream.
Scream?
You scam.
Scream? Oh, really? Listen, I mean, it's not the end of the world. I mean, I'm not the only scam that you've seen, am I? But what you gotta do, stick to the business. I mean, you've seen it all. All I'm gonna tell you now is when I make money, you make money. All you have to do is stick to the plan, all right? Matter of fact, let me sort you out. You know, you can just have it for now, all right? Come on, Momo. Come on. There we go. Listen, all right, so this is your first pay, all right? All you have to do is keep quiet. Just keep your mouth shut. The more that I make money, the more that you make money, all right?
But you need to change. They are my people.
Stick to the plan. Out. Can I have my privacy? Hello? Jimmy.
Adwene. Who timi ye name bi menti ase o. Ah, adena store wo ho. Wo ye name ekura de akini saa ba se ye ntobi. Ah, hey.
Abeto, mami kan kiro. Bible class o te fa kwa te wa de so. Adwuma no mabie nipa se na twam o. E na ade no ye ni sky ye bebo ho advert. Uko you TV so be Milano Mefe, and also be Beshano Ababeto. Ya advert ye bet my bonnet say, ye the ben name, or be one yen fenot, and next time, near chance or pebia womla, ya swear, a honey. Ya advert ye bet my boy.
Uncle, I drink cassia clothing.
I drink a clothing.
Nice one.
I drink a clothing.
Hello, sweetie.
Hello. Where am I? Come up. Come up.
I drink cassia clothing.
I drink a clothing. Oh, yeah, ma. Over to say. Media minimum warfare. I drink a clothing.
Where for power?
Sir, I'm a Minchaman.
You're fast.
Me trash and an easy. I drink a clothing.
But me for where?
Way. Oh, Madam Shisham.
But where?
70 Ghana. Shisham.
Oh, sir.
Oh, me na me catch all Miss Benum. Nipa bebre. Aja for re. Oh, me a producing and tadias are. Sama motion, mina. Sequence for ya. Me hair now, Tony.
Oh, but where na me pay for now.
Where?
For now.
Oh, okay. Oh, me who dear me find your crowd. There 70 Ghana.
But me pay.
What dear fa?
Hey!
Fa.
Me fa?
Oh, fa. I am a fa.
Oh, Vidas.
Oh, you need pa.
Midasi.
Why? A bubble, only problem.
Midasi.
Why?
Midasi.
Now I am frozen.
But I found me a rama.
A rama. Oh, where me papa.
Midasi.
Nothing.
Me wore a tray higher.
Sir. Now, many on my set. If you me point ma, and come no wedding go.
And your problem.
Midasi, so when I'm a home. Yeah, dear Juma, yes, one Malawi. What I say? The last number 62.
Yeah, bag.
To me, that's it. And you may have why? Yes, why? I'm audio part. I did the only problem.
Martin,
that's so come on.
Yo, Martin. Bye bye.
I drink a sea. Oh, Bob, oh, who go near to one? I am quite. I didn't know what to him.
Oh, to one again, a number. Huh?
Again, or Tony, man. Tete. Now, fresh gateway or to at the enemy. None fish or e baby, no so ye back up. I am sending this and also meeting the rama. I'm so nice name, not and also Tara.
I have also know the Ushagi or Kuya Wopel.
Oh, now what the number cram?
What in one and number one?
What the number, mammy? What the number?
Master made a make catcher who Sama make a book of Bruna. Me no problem between me about
problem now.
You may catch on at Yasia.
Made a channel.
I told you, no day, master now, old number. I gave you chance it is
fun.
Okay. Me, what to say? Me, come on, I'm seeing 7 and I'm ready and you're Banju. BBI okay?
I mean, I'm cool. I'm having fun. It's all fun. I mean, sorted.
Okay. Anyway, Murray, anyway, me cool.
With your boss, Pacho, on Sansika.
Okay.
With your Mr. What baby, Mr. Mammy Mrena, your mum same hokaka. We crown my imagine Senka, me pesenke having meeting and casa. But who are here, Mr. Benzo, were here. Yeah, me pese ye discussion kakra. Answer no ba beba no. Me kan say me no di nkomo kakra.
Yeah.
You told me he was an investor.
Yes.
Or ba disika ba be share adwuma yim. Oba ye mre twemu kakra mre kwa so na ekọ nanim. E na ma me wei, o china ma me wei. But ayenti a ode ba ye, e ba betena afi ha na nkasa de ye ne honhon hore. Sika ode ba be share adwuma nim no eno so e maaye. Oh, hey, boss, Miss Row. Missy Bissamame, Mr. Benzo. I said, a dear na warrior afa Sikana or the barber shed a Jumanim. And I said, the butter yentia or the Tifihan.
Okay, you are right.
You know, sometimes y'all gotta relax. Y'all gotta take your time sometimes. I mean, I came from America with a lot of money to do business with you. You know? I can't be walking around with money everywhere like that. You know, that's why I put them in my banks. You understand what I'm saying? I mean, this morning I won 8 banks. I won 8 banks. All were having network problem, right, Momo? Right? You were there, right? When we were going to the bank, right? This morning, right?
Oh yes.
We went to the bank, right?
We went to the bank together.
She was there. 8 banks. I was with her. I was trying to do some transaction, you know. And the way my account is set, I gotta send money from my business to my, you know, my service. Then I gotta move it to my another business and down to my service. Then I can bring it out. But you know, it's a whole lot of stress.
You went to 8 banks.
8 banks.
And all the 8 banks has what?
You
network problem?
Everywhere. I think Ghana has a problem itself.
All the 8 banks has problem.
Not working.
Wow.
You know, I'm having network problem on my phone too.
What do you Mr. Diana come a person mechanic say? If Seska would ever say you minimum Maya, Mr. You kakrato.
Listen, I came with ATM card. I can't be using the boot like that. You know, I got money.
For kakrato, one would be didi. Maybe I won't hear BB on the beto.
Candy, let's give him time. Don't worry.
Boss, Mr. And I'm a person Michelle say.
Don't worry.
Listen, I'm gonna sort you out, all right? I'm gonna send you some money real soon, all right?
Okay.
All right? Yeah, man, that's all right. Take care of yourself, all right? See, the old man understands me. I don't know why you can't understand me. Yeah, what? I came with credit card. I can't use them. I can't even use the ATM booths. I mean, it's network problem everywhere. Right? You were there this morning, right? Mo, you know what I'm saying? You were.
Hello?
You leaving?
Yes.
Oh my God. Everybody's leaving because I don't have money. Wow. This is because I don't have money. That's crazy. It's not my fault. Can't use my ATM out here.
Abetu.
Yeah.
Nana pani amachi.
Ja. Na pam de sem ya ya, wo me ya na family wo ma twata ila na me de na mu.
Wo dide o.
Ya kra. O ba twata de me sheda ko ho ayi me kwam ni nipa me ko twata ya ho school.
And to abon ho masters.
The Pierre go bon degree. It started in 1982. Yeah.
Kalano. Do ya se minti mention.
Why that? What did I do? Shadow Cheche. Jaidia o Cheche, only one a vivi. Only one.
Abama wa ba me hakla. Sisi anu flee.
Girl no free hako yenche. Now once and ben I can.
Ode open hu na busanse ni new boy kesi. Ode busanse sa keke.
What me approach no na kasa.
Messi nyeso bisi. Say, mache. Idi kin atu na adwuma atu private.
That is what to na adwuma.
Na to na adwuma.
No ne ma ba ye tu o ma adwuma. Di asem na wo.
Me gino si am friends wa baba.
Wo frege na obeba.
Ja
dia o cheche no ja. Hwe. Na wa apretino.
My approaching is
say approaching just I said
my approaching.
Yeah, that's it, yeah.
In fish.
Me ko twa o ma no mo ko twitwa mo ko no frefre me.
Oh.
Me ko o ma frefre. Ai, o ma frefre me sa man ko.
I don't find wolf for one.
Mo ko na frefre debra fu de me ngobi. Mo ko na frefre me. Yeah. Madam, I they come. I they come. Yeah. Ibi twata your boy. Ibi twata your boy.
Sir. Unya bibiani ama mento nka nyumre.
Oh, I go catch him. I finish the one man.
One man who times. I get with you,
Hey, now I know Jimmy, I will be out of
oh, Emma. Me will boutique. Me are not that business. What I say. No surprise. I will be funny. I will make the call. Yeah. Now so yeah, you my
oh, me dear say I think I'm a school. And I'm a person me be a spa. Yes. My tutor new man be at work. Nanso a cash shop mini container. I think I make you container.
Container dey no problem. Container dey bet ma fine be. You bet ma pe container and be what I say. Any problem?
Oh, container ni paid.
Any of the
What?
Into baby biama. Into baby biama. Really?
I see a company.
5 containers. Wow, 5. Beautiful. It's a 40 feet. Okay. You know what? Just take the stuff out and throw the containers away. Just throw them away. Yeah. No, I can't keep it. Right. Yeah. So just get the stuff out of the containers and just throw the containers away. Take them back to America. I've been waiting for a call, Mr. Danny. All right. Thank you for calling. Oh my goodness.
Hello.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry for disturbing.
Okay.
I hear you saying you have a lot of containers.
Yeah.
You
I
want
mean, you
to
know.
throw it away.
Yeah, I always do that. I always throw containers so I don't keep them.
Yeah.
As soon as I take my stuff out, I just throw them away.
Oh.
Yeah.
Please, right now I need containers. So.
You want a container?
Yeah, I need containers.
What you gonna use it for?
Oh, for spa business. Yeah.
You know what? I can spare one for you. You know, just
Okay.
gotta call me and meet me up and I give it to you. All right?
Okay.
You got a cell phone with you?
Yeah, let me take my.
All right. Has your phone?
Yeah, that's my phone.
Okay. It's a very bad phone. All right. Just call me. All right?
I'll call you.
Call me.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Yeah. I told them to throw the containers away. I don't need them.
For this life we day, my party you for use your mind. Use your head, use your hands, and use your time. Cause bear man is a canino be say about your size. Ebusia krabe jojo when no here is your cry. La hustle, yes allow, eh. La hustle, yes allow. La hustle, yes allow, eh. La hustle, yes allow. I saw them cross a canine chairman. We girl sugar daddy fear now, oh, your tenant. My major. Papaji, Obimbo, me or no, here anymore.
It's gonna be house and everything in the container, all right? It's gonna be everything set up. All you got to do is bring the money. I told you.
Benzo, please try and help me. You know that I have more intact love for my girl. Right now, I don't have a lot of money.
But if you don't have money, how are you going to open the container? Because listen, it's a container, right? And it comes with everything. She's going to have a mini house and a mini kitchen and a car. With her work, it's going to be easy for her.
I know.
Everything in the container.
Then I said, try and reduce the price. No. Because, Benzo, you are my brother. You have to wear my shoe. You know.
How much do you have right now?
You know into my pocket.
How much do you have?
Right now, I have 1,000 Ghana.
No, it's not good. No, make it 1,500.
Come on. Listen to me. Benzo.
1,000, no, 1,500.
I'm not going to please, help me, okay? Try and help me. Because, believe me, when everything succeeds, I'll help you.
You know, I'm only doing this because you're my brother. You understand, right?
I know.
Because it's not easy to give somebody a container that comes with everything in life, you know? Just a container. All she got to do is open and enter.
I know.
Give him the money.
Benzo.
Do I have to count the money?
Oh, no problem. You can count. You can count.
All right. You know what? So what's going to happen is that you're going to make your girl call me, right?
Okay.
She got to call me. She come over. She don't got to do nothing.
Okay.
The moment I open the container, she's going to get everything she wants.
Okay.
All right? Clothes, cars, everything.
Okay.
All right?
Thank you. I like that girl.
Yeah. I'll make sure she's fine. All right?
Yes. Yeah. Do everything for me.
Because of you, I'll do it for you.
Thank you.
Let her call me, all right?
Champion. Yes. Me nam ni buroni adele. Me gewe. Me mana who say yes.
Yes, I love. La hustle, yes, I love.
Make no catch up.
La hustle, yes I love, la hustle, yes I love. I saw them cross again in the chairman. Girl, she got that fear now. Oh, your tenant, my major, papaji, or bimbo, me or no, here anymore. Hey, Sikaya Bonnie Sankwana, make quite here in Yabia. Sikaya Chana Sankwana, make quite here in Yabia. Papaji, Bimwa Mionamo, Yemote, Mese, Mamaji, Papaji, or Bimwa Miono, Yedimahayo, Yabea, Yamipo, Semia, Menso, me po, so me see cancel to me, down for the pre-copobia, some sweater, Miss. La hustle, la hustle.
Yeah, Mr. Benzo. I think your documents are good. I mean, we're good to go. Yeah, and but the only problem is that your name is on the your name is not on the company sheet.
We already spoke about this. Me catch us me off and the company is for him. But you see, we started the building. It drew half no way. What I say, and I now I just want to finish it. That's why I'm coming for the loan. But you see, going to go and change the name and all that, it's a lot of stress. You understand? This is my company as well.
Baby, I've started the processing and arrangement. Yes. But a problem.
This shouldn't be difficult for you. I mean, something small. You know what? You just try and process it for me. Understand? When you finish, I'll find something and give it to you. Okay? I will give you envelope.
No. Talk like a businessman. You give me envelope, say no. Can be, I mean, say something convincing now. Mama, Bibi, this is
you know what? I'll give you 5%. You don't want 5%,
Mr. Benzo, please.
But I'm coming for loan of 4 billion. No. I'm giving 5%. You don't want,
Mr. Benzo. Do you know the implications of what I'm about to do?
Oh, but 5% is enough for the implications of what you're about to do.
Look, 5% there. It's an insult.
Let's not drag it.
No.
I don't want to insult you. So you 10%.
It's okay. Yeah, 20%. 20%, I mean, because there are so many people I would have.
You want me to give you 20% out of that money?
One say we know, say me convince amount for as to the reason why your name is on the document. So what I say.
You no problem. When you how many days will you take you to finish this thing?
2 days.
2 days.
2 days, yeah.
But you pay you see can family to check.
All right. So 20%.
Whatever, just take yours and give me, please. 2 days.
2 days, yeah.
I'm trusting you.
Don't you trust me anymore?
I do.
2 days. So,
okay.
2 days.
All right, boss.
Hello? Yes. Yeah, good afternoon, please. This is KOFAS. Yes. We sent you our CV online. Director, please. We are not done, please. We are almost done. This is the processing, yes. You will be. See, because if you are getting money, I will get bodyguard. I'm telling you.
Bonjour.
Oh, sir.
Is everything okay?
Everything is now okay. Everything is now okay. I mean, I don't understand Ghana Bank. I just want to do a transaction of $4 million and it's going to take me 2 days. How? I mean, it was Fargo in America. It's just take me a minute and I'm done. God damn it. I can't deal with these people. Oh, Lord. This is normal here?
Yes.
It's normal?
I
cannot believe y'all.
Today,
Right. I wanted to ask you something, right? I want to send somebody some money, but I don't have no cities. I don't know if you can give me some money. I'm going to sort you out.
If you finish.
You're going to give me?
I'll sort you.
Oh, my God. You're such a good man. You're like an angel. You know that, right?
See, make no talk. This thing you do, say, I deal with me, yes, be anymore. I told you, be all your baby to say, oh, your young to say, I collabo.
What's not so for no crumble can I me my papa and pamia? No, Scano nim Yansa uni.
Obie Juma, who up in chamber be paid Jumano. Oh, and yet, when I also your dinner, I won't tell Obecano. Say, I was saying, Bibiana, Yakoneska way. Yakone Jumano way. and family, you can use my Nina.
Massa. We are simple. You are not right. Big man,
what's all this? You guys know you're on an estate road? You're making noise?
Massa.
And I live just around the street. What's going on? Why y'all making noise like that?
See, boss, a good say you
don't touch me. Just talk.
My guys, will be software developers. You understand? And we've developed the software to a certain point.
Okay.
But say I be you hear moi.
Okay.
And we go
you
see
need money.
Yes.
Okay.
So we go see
Who do you see?
This man. We go see
the CEO AN Sam Catcher.
ANI CEO. Yes.
Oh, Kofi, that's my friend. Kofi ANI. That's the owner of ANI. Kofi. So what happened? And he said what?
So we go see him. Where this my guy, the man they talk say like he doesn't fund or he doesn't support things in process.
Oh yeah.
You understand?
I know
and
that.
He's right. We are in process.
Boss, the man was talking shit. The man was provoking us. That is why we left.
What Yasamoka? It makes sense. You know, they make sense.
Anyway, guys. My name is Benzo. I'm from the United States of America. I work with Mayweather. I'm his marketing manager. Right. I just came down to do one or two businesses.
Who?
They won't touch me. Mayweather. That's my boy. So I don't know what's going on with you guys, but I'm interested into invest in your business. You say software, right?
Yeah, software.
Right.
Like we are almost.
Hey!
We want someone
Hey!
Sorry.
Okay, so just take my number and then I'll meet you guys up. I'll see what you guys have and let me see if I can sponsor you guys.
No, Massa.
You guys got
to beg. Yeah.
054-361.
I'm recording.
787419. All right, so just call me. I live down there. Just call me.
I'll call you right now.
No, it's off. Call me later on. All right. Man, y'all stop this. This is an estate. I live around.
We are calling.
You guys making noise. What's all this? God damn it.
Massa, move. Safi who say we give me another just a roll. No, this is everyone.
Mama save number, no.
I didn't trust you.
Some guy no me friend na onfa.
I didn't know friend na onfa.
Na say ever since who say me na me friend. Guy no me friend be a onfa ko.
Titi. Ain't me my so be flag guy na onfa. Because me na settle me na wie. Tie me respect me. Me boom. What I say? Me nya dia me dada. Ana Akabenezer ya ne.
Akabenezer nya brofo ni twi asembe na obisa me no.
Because Oka brofo. Ebia ntimi ne nkaniye because on America brofo no. Ebia no nti.
Me say ever since we the number ne me nya guy na me church mo o mia say una udi number no me can be say you say me auntie say me pack me nyoma no wa uni nyoma no me wo bibia esi wo say bibia me di nyoma ne be kwa kogo e bi no wo be boa me. I don't even know what you are doing.
Sita, don't blame me. No, do you think I'm a kid? I'm lying you. I'm not a kid. I know what I'm doing. I'll pay everything. That guy know. I pay him ready cash.
Auntie, I didn't mean can't share me auntie.
See, up to a mele. Over to menka. Me no was see up to. Debbie. One want to meet you. Now me chromo beat me. Sweetheart today now.
Is there something can share me auntie?
What you catch and say up to a mele. Obenya result.
Time Ben na Messi stand your manu.
Me say catch want to say. Me see on your time. Over besisa. Me Usurana. Na mi won so bi bum kwase.
Na nipa my friend say on.
Ana me say odi kofie. Me rush na ba. What I say me say
kofie. Me twen o, me sro.
Bibia ni a. Why?
Uba for so money about her. I say member our friend, my first member. We go to for me now. Hello. Good morning. Loan repayment. Yes, this is Smart Enterprise, but we have not applied any loan anywhere. Emmanuel Benzo. Sorry, Emmanuel Benzo is not the CEO of Smart Enterprise, and I'm kind of. What?
Benzo! Benzo! Hey, Benzo! Ah, why are you running?
Excuse me?
Ah, why are you running?
I'm not running, I'm only walking, I'm not running.
Hey, Benzo, Sanati. Benzo, Sanati.
What is it? What is it?
Ah, now, you be more beer, and now blonny petaway. Hey, Benzo, don't let me go hungry. Please.
Listen, whatever you call yourself,
Hey,
I told you to tell your girlfriend to call me. Did she call me? No, she did not call me.
Hey. Me who blonny I can't tell that. Don't tell lies. My girlfriend said, call me. Said you didn't pick his call.
She did not call me. Nobody called me.
Besides,
I don't pick strange numbers.
Hey, you don't pick straight numbers?
No.
Then today you pick. Hey, please. Me dear, me I drink here. You can't beat me. You can't use your mind to beat me. Do you know me?
Who are you, man?
Do you know me?
You know what? I don't have
Then my girlfriend call you. You don't pick. Then you take the money. You want to chop my money. Then you scared the same. Huh? Oh yes, come on, ready same.
What money talking?
I don't want.
I have the container over there. All your girl have to do is call me and pick up the container. Why should he call me?
Hey, don't let me go crazy. Don't let me go crazy. I don't want like that, you know. Don't let me go crazy. Please give me my money.
I don't have no money right now. I don't have no money.
Don't see my bad side. Don't see my bad side.
Are you talking to me?
I'm talking to you. You think I'm afraid you?
You know where I'm coming from the United States of America.
America?
I'm from America.
America, my
I'm gonna pop you down right now.
Hey,
you know?
Pop me. Master, from Sikama, I'll see you over pump me. Me Kabibia. From Sikama.
Yes, leave me. You know what?
From Sikama.
You know what? Tomorrow, just call me. I'll give you the money.
No. I don't want tomorrow.
But
right now.
I don't have the money with me now.
You don't have money. I'll go and show me the kiosk.
I said tomorrow. I'll call me and I'll take you to the container.
I want today because
tomorrow.
Hey, you can't deceive me. Me, anytime I see you. Yesterday, you go the choba by 12. You go and chop fufu. Me bronia. Or the fufu ni pork da. Precontre bronia we precontre. Wo measure we chira. Measure. Wo measure American bronia. We precontre. Yesterday, last night I see you driving red car running about. And where you pass, I found you. Unia.
You know what? It's 12 right now, so you know what? Just give me like 4 p.m. Let me rush up my meeting, and then we can go check the container out, all right?
Let's go right now.
But we can't go now. I said tomorrow. I have a meeting to attend.
Hey, we meeting unia simsikano. Unia, broni pete kra na Germany so. So nim dey make canotia. Hey, let's go out.
Let's go get it. You don't want a container no more?
I want the container. I have to call my girlfriend to go with us. Then you show my girlfriend.
You want to go with your girlfriend?
Alright,
let's go.
Please.
No
Let's
problem.
go.
Let's go. You gonna follow me or what?
I won't follow you. Now cross when yati.
La hustle, yes I love, la hustle, yes I love, la hustle, yes I love, la hustle, yes I love. I saw them cross again in the chairman. We girl sugar daddy fear now, oh your tenant. My major. Papeji, Obimbo, me or no, here anymore. Hey, Sikaya Bonnie Sankwana, make quad, dear Menyabia. Sikaya Chani Sankwana, make quad, dear Menyabia. My major, Papeji, Bimbo, me or no, Yemote, my major, Papeji, Obimbo, me or no, here anymore. Beya, Kamipo, Seminyo Beya, Menso me po, Nansu me see cancel to me near down for the precopo be as my sweat. I'm so la hustle, yes.
40-footer container right here. That's what I told you, right? All you gotta do is just roof it up. That's a balcony for you right there. And there's a hallway. And you just gotta, roof it up, right? And then get like a washroom. Get a very good architect, let him come and look it up, So, do the good stuff for you in there. That's all I gotta do, right? So, I'm gonna hit you up later, right?
Hey! Come back here.
What?
Come.
I'm done. That's a container, right?
Come back here, please.
Yo, you can't talk. I'm American.
Please,
I can't be talking to American like that. You know that, right? What's up?
Benzo, you have done well. I appreciate it. I'm appreciating.
I told you I'm gonna give you 40 feet, man.
You do a good job. You do it.
What you talking about,
I'm
man?
appreciate it.
Thank you very much, man.
Thief.
So we can do business again, right?
Yeah.
From far away.
Oh, yeah, be a missing. So when you're me a woman, none of the course will meet man go up, baby.
What you talking about?
Please. Where now I am,
Yeah.
And your problem.
Yeah.
Bampa, to bet him the music. Hello. Yeah. Bash. Boy. Obenya boys about 38. Men pass about 40. As I won't be them.
What's it talking about?
Please excuse me.
Me pass. And if I go in person, I'm saying a calam.
Excuse me?
What's
he talking about?
Oh, please excuse me.
Mate.
Loman.
Me Judy Ghana is the boys and man.
Loman.
Yes.
What you talking about, man?
I'm a friend customer.
But I can't wait. I can't wait.
I'm calling another customer to come.
But that's not my business. I'm done with my
work to you.
I gotta leave.
I'm giving you another
I gotta leave.
You have to wait.
Yo, you can't be talking.
Hey,
you got some attitude. You know that, right?
Excuse me.
What you getting girl from?
Where a container?
Take time.
No, why is she talking to me like that? You know I'm an American citizen?
No.
From New York City? You know my friends? Larry Bang, 50 Cent.
Hey. Unimobi and a jai. Mr. Sauce,
Otichi.
Ontichi, and
you.
Miss Offa, Miss
I don't have no money for it. That's it. That's a property right there.
Oh, please hold on.
But you can't be talking to like, you know that, right? I'm not your mate.
Oh, please.
You know how much money I got? You gotta talk to this girl,
I'll
right?
talk to her. Jaisa, Obia Kwalauda.
What you mean? I don't know what you
say.
You want a 40-footer container and that's it right there. Y'all be having some attitude, you know that, right? And you can't talk.
Obia Kwalauda.
Yo.
Because me who Bronia or her and you can't draw. Hey, red. Her womb from America.
What's this little man? You know who I am?
Otichi.
Yo.
Otichi.
Yo. You trying to...
Hey, what first can I know? You
trying to get violent with me?
First
can I bring the money.
Yeah, trying to get
the money.
Yo.
Bring the money.
Hey! Yo.
Bring the money.
Kneel down. Hey, don't hold me. Don't hold me. You can eat my money. I brought my money. I get money. You brother, but I want to show my money.
You say you want a container, right? That's a container right there.
Container.
What is this? It's a wood.
Shit, man. You are shit, man.
You slap me?
I'll head you. Do
you know I'm an American citizen? I'm an American citizen, right?
Ghana
You're trying to wage fight between the Americans. You're trying to wage fight between the Americans and the Ghanaians. You know that, right? I'm gonna get you arrested. I'm gonna call FBI. Where's my phone? I'm gonna call FBI for the two of you. Y'all getting arrested. You know what? I'm gonna deport you all from Ghana. Excuse me, what I'm saying. Yo, listen. Yo, you know me? I'll fuck you up.
You can't fuck me.
I'll fuck you up. Yo, I'm a fuck. What you trying to do? What?
Come back here.
I had BBI. Okay. Me no more books name BBI. Okay. I me free supermarket on so cry na. So BBI.
Okay.
Nana, me first a filling station for campus me no be din komo kaka.
Ade bibi wa na.
Asem mo pa.
Ade asem.
Obeji e di se Benzo. E the company name no. Any company documents akwakoji no. And me dressing ya me ko adwuma. And a company be frame say.
Company be no.
Was he a babeji loan? Or see BBB financial? Was he BBB financial service? And I'm say ye beji loan. Ye adwuma ye yemfa loan ye adwuma. It's a Bambeji loan. Or sim or be your friend Emmanuel Benzo, Ababeji loan. And I'm saying Emmanuel Benzo, or so you CEO of a smart enterprise, and I'm saying David. Bra, on your CEO, a Jumanankasa CEO. Meka, say, or Kaim impose Embra Socia Statitua loan. Over 100,000 or say, one, just say, Middle Kaya Crampono. May him crash him, it's not me saying your Benzo na ye name. Me corner them hoko check here was a sunny yemen in every demo.
Benzo,
wait, Johnny. Benzo, Johnny. Now, me and whom me kind.
A beer no would need a bibia.
Me say,
oh dear,
and Nanka would that damn, would near my good damn. I don't know what's a son, Yamako. What's a son, Yama, won't any panity fee, Uko baby, I won't cry.
Ah, Benzo, the company.
What the company?
Documents.
What's in your company and about a loan? Your company. Smart enterprise.
Minini, Jai, Messi Binini.
Messi say, I am Fitiasia, me catch there was a boss. I quay me 1 year. What is kind of Johnny? What the Johnny? Into say, no, I was here.
For this life we day, my party, you for use your mind. Use your head, use your hands, and use your time. Cause bear man is no be say about your side.
This is the external drive. We put everything on it.
You have the software in it?
Everything.
The pilot?
The pilot, the first folder.
The first folder?
Yes, sir.
I hope I'm not going to get no problem when I get this.
Only problem.
If I should, I'm going to call you.
Yes, sir.
Alright? Alright, you should take care of yourself, okay?
Yes.
You put a tracker for that. I'll do fast.
So I'm calling. Okay. Hello, Akwasi, metonka. Akwasi. Okay.
Yeah, this is Benzo speaking. This A&I? Perfect. Look, I'm coming. In 10 minutes, I'll be there. Right, I got some softwares and some pilots I want to show you guys. I know you guys will be interested. From where? All the way from Miami. I'm coming from Miami. I just came in last night. All right. Your boss is around, right? Good, I'll be there. Give me 5. No, I'm just around the East Legon Road. You know, I'm just moving down your office. Yeah, I got a drive. I got the pilots and the softwares in my drive. How much? No, you know what? Let me just get there. No, I just came back from the United States yesterday. Yeah. I just built all the softwares in America before I came down. You know, I got my things all packed up. My name is Benzo. That's right. Yeah, I got a drive here. Everything is in there. I can build any software you want me to build. Any software, I can program it for you, and I'm gonna build it up. Let me call you back, real quick.
Boss, give me the external.
Give me the external!
You know,
Must I take you, fam?
in life you have to be patient.
Hey, if you know, we'll make a call squad for you.
That's it.
So, you drove from America, Miami, Mayweather in. You can't take me on a software. Now you call the company where we will tell you about. You they pass on a back.
You know, sometimes life is like that.
Boss,
you know,
hey, Master, stop the English. We not say you be Zongo boy. Relax for the English.
So, you for the last give me.
Make now you go feel speak my language.
The team.
Duba, oh yeah, me Warika.
Oh, the moon trust why.
Oh, Titi. Situation.
I'll chop.
When you're lucky, say name, birthday. Carbon.
What's up, my niggas? Yo, y'all tripping, man. Shit. Boy, see beating Scheiße. Why I no go do call for the down there? Why I stand here do call? Why Benzo? Oh, Scheiße, man. Why you no walk down there, sir, at least then make phone call? You can't stand and put in my apartment to make phone calls to talk to business people. Oh.